I use this super beginner friendly strategy to make over 300% on this Tesla trade live with my friends, and you're gonna see us take that trade later. So make sure you're taking notes, y'all, because I'm gonna break down in complete detail exactly what I did to make over 300% trading Tesla, okay? So y'all, before I get into that, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button so you can help me get this video to 1,000 likes. But to put in a quick perspective, y'all, for this 300% plus trade, if you had $100 and you took this trade, you were able to turn that $100 into $300. And if you had $1,000 and you took this 300% trade, you would be able to turn that 1,000 into a 3,000. So yeah, I know you want to go get to the chart. So let's hurry up and go so I can teach you exactly what we did. All right, y'all. So we're going to go into detail about this trade on Tesla. Okay. So first things first, you have to mark your hourly levels or critical levels. Okay. So one of the levels that I mark every morning fresh for my group is going to be pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Okay. And my pre-market levels are marked by this yellow dotted line right here. Okay. And if you do not have the extended hours, which is this orange area here, all you have to do to get the extended hours, which you're going to need in order to get pre-market data, you want to just go to this gear setting here, right? And then you go to symbols, session, make sure it's on extended, not regular, and then you hit OK and you'll get that time period there, okay? So once we have those levels on, right, we like to see a break of those levels because the fact we want to make sure we get out of these range, okay? So here in the morning, market opens, y'all, we got a nice push to the upside, did not chase anything, right? Chasing is not trading. Chasing is straight up gambling. So the beauty of when you have a simple strategy, you don't have to guess or feel like you're missing out on anything because you know what you're looking for, right? So we do not see an entry to the upside here. We're sitting pretty, cash, no worries, okay? Mind you, y'all, this is the Friday after Christmas, so I'm already in the mindset of like, yo, if my ideal setup ain't there, chilling. So we got to push to the upside, nothing, no entry, and then we got a rejection. How cool is that we did not get caught up in FOMO and get caught up in this crazy move down? So with that being said, y'all, we get now with the move down here, with this downtrend happening, we get a break of pre-market low, which is a nice look to say, hey, we might be interested in a play to the downside. Now, what we have next is one of my favorite indicators, and if you didn't know what it was, now you're gonna know. Make sure you write this down because you already know note takers and money makers, all right? So one of my favorite indicators to use to help me gauge if we are going to be in a trendy market or not is going to be the orb strategy, or the ORB. And what that is simply called the opening range breakout, orb, ORB, whatever the case is. And the one that I use is by ZZZ Crypto 123. So all you have to do is click on your indicator tab and type in ORB. And when you type ORB, it'll pop up and you just simply click on that and it'll add it to your chart. Now, the ORB is simply what it is. It's the high of the first 15 minutes and the low of the first 15 minutes. Okay. So what you want to make sure with the ORB really quickly, you want to make sure the settings are correct. Input 15 and then the session time 9:30 to 9:45. Cool. Now, once you have that on your chart, my friends, it'll give you the high, which is that green line, and then the red, which is that low, this red line here, which is the low. And like I said, we'd like to see a break of it. And what did we get? We got a nice break of that. Now, after we get the break of that, we played around a little bit close to that ORB, which gave us a little bit of consolidation. And then, y'all, once we got that consolidation, we got a little flag that happened, and with that flag I got the entry below that flag, and my stop loss is simply on the opposite side of the flag, which also coincides with the ORB. Along with this flag, y'all, we also get a retest of the ORB, which is right here. Right? The retest is simply where it's touching it again, okay? And we like to see a retest because that's confirming that this level is a resistance. If y'all have watched any of my videos, understanding support and resistance, if you have not, you need to go back and look at those. Support is the floor and resistance is the ceiling. So the ORB is acting as a level of resistance, which is a great sign for a play to the downside. So we're entered into this trade here, and we're in a beautiful play to the downside. So what I would say, y'all, this was, like I said, a Friday. You know how Fridays are if you're a trader, and also a holiday week, right? And my first trade of the day. So if you have a trading plan, which you should, or a trading system, which you should know that your first trade of the day should be smaller, lighter, just so you can put your toe in the water to not get burnt real quick, so you can get a feel of what's going on. So my position size was 6 contracts. Like, it was nothing even crazy for this trade. The next part that you need to make sure that you have is going to be your profit targets, okay? Profit targets are areas where prices reacted previously and may react again. And what you do here, y'all, is you take profit, okay? And taking profit simply means lowering your position size in that trade so you're not as exposed. So we have a profit target here with this TP, right? Then we have another one here, and then we have another one down here. So as the trade is going in our favor, we are lowering our risk in the trade, okay? So I want to remind y'all that we took this live with a lot of folks on live. You're going to see them taking us later in this video. But I want you to know that this, like I said, this was my first trade of the day, Friday, light position size. And I want to just show you real quick that even with only one contract left, my one contract was, this is what was open, right? 460, 450 on one contract. This is went up to as far as 362%, y'all. Like I said, if you put a G in there, $1,000, that is a $3,000 swing, which is wild. Now listen, every day is not going to be a $3,000 per 300% trade day. Let me be politically correct. But y'all, there are 50% days, 70% days, 25, right? Can you put your $300 in the bank and say, yeah, flip that, make that, you know, 300%, I want a 300% return, right? Or are we getting 0.0% in the bank? Your best way to increase your net worth, y'all, is by you, right? You can definitely do this as you see. It's having a simple system where you can understand what you're doing, why you're getting into the trade, and see how you can multiply your money is literally life-changing. Listen, I was a former elementary school teacher not too long ago where $200 was my daily takeaway. And as you can see from my P&L, I did that, more than that, in less than 30 minutes. Okay? One day. Less than 30 minutes. And the beauty of trading is that I can do this every day the market is open. I can do this every day the market is open and no one can take my skill away, right? The life-changing decision to learn how to trade is the best decision I've ever made in my entire life. And I will put that down, other than marrying my husband, obviously. But I am so grateful for the opportunity to not only trade with amazing people every day, but just grateful to the Lord that He has afforded me with the ability to use this to not only replace my income, but replace my husband's income, to be able to travel the world, be able to give my son the life that I've been only dreaming of. All right, y'all. So if you want to actually trade with me live and see my screen, we trade live daily. And I say we, my husband and I trade together. So we trade Monday through Friday live. So if you want to actually do that and hear my thought process and see our screen every day, go ahead and comment the word trade down below or simply click the link in my description. If you want to get some free resources to get your journey started and just get going, all you have to do is comment the word free down below and I got you. Got lots of resources to help you on your journey, y'all. But with that being said, make sure you go ahead and check out us while taking this trade live. And like I said, if you have not done so yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help me get this video to 1,000 likes. Give me a thumbs up. All right. I appreciate y'all. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See you soon. All right, y'all. So if you took that Tesla trade all the way down here, go ahead and put a 1 in the chat here. Merry Christmas to us. We took this through almost 300% trade together. Yo, look at it. It's like it felt us talking about it. All it is. Look at that volume. Let's go. Some of my people, we actually still in the trade. 300%. Let's go, Lucy. And we got into this before 10 o'clock. That's wild. Wild. Let's go. Tianka, I see you. Bootcamp member. I see you. TSLL. Yeah, Ruby. 220. Let's go, AD. Listen, Merry Christmas, bro. Next time people ask you what you're doing, say, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, what I'm doing. 7 needs to break and hold. Bids and asks needs to be below.
All right. I'm in a little bit of Tesla puts. I'm in Tesla push, y'all. but I'm good.
You should be green on that.
Should be green on this. I'm aiming for 481.8.
IWM has a CC2, y'all, below this 251.19. You got to break and hold for a play to the downside. If you
481.80 is my profit target, y'all. There we go.
Which one? 482?
481.
41.7.
It's Monday's high, 82.
481.82.
Yeah, one more push. Push,
Yup.
push. One more, Tesla. Give me one more push. I'm taking it. I'm taking something off. All right, I'm taking something off. I'm gonna take a little bit off the Tesla. Easy money.
Nice.
There you go. All right, I'm just in on runners on Tesla. Take a little bit off and see if these runners will run.
Oh, so her add-on is 350%. Lucy's. That's dope. Yeah, only 278. Yeah, he said only 278 because he looking at my 350, Charlie. Hating. He hating. He hating. He hating, bro. Now come on now, y'all. Really and truly, let's think about this. You are on a computer looking at some candlesticks making 300% of whatever money you put in. Like, make this make sense. Is this life?
Yeah.
And also, like, we can do this again next week, and the week after that, and the week after that.
40%, 50%.
Come on now.
Like, so anybody here that's like whatever, like, please don't give up. Please don't give up. It takes time to get to this point, confidence and everything like that. But like, don't rush the process. Take your time, please.